Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's holiday glam makeup video, I got 3 looks. That's right, you guys, 3. I have a beautiful cranberry look, an orangey copper look, and a smoky makeup look. So if you'd like to check out these holiday glam looks, please stick around with me and of course keep watching. And it's really fun because these 3 looks are done with the same makeup palette. How awesome is that? Now I already got my brows and my face ready, and I'm just ready to hop into this. So if you do enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. The first shade I'm going to pick up is a nice light brown shade, and I'm applying this to the crease and to the outer third. I'm going to keep building it till it's really nice and bold. And actually this first shade is the first color that I'm going to use for all of the eye looks in this video. Then with the pad of my finger, I'm going to add a jumbo eye pencil to about 2/3 of my eyelids. And then right over that, I'm going to pack on a beautiful matte wine colored shadow. And then once that is packed on there, I'm going to blend out the edge with the brush that I used to add the crease color. Then, not adding any extra color, I'm just going to sweep the shadow brush on the outer third. With another brush, I'm adding a lighter shimmer cranberry color to the inner corner, and then with a more smaller detailed brush, I'm going to add that to the lower lash line. To the lower waterline, I'm going to add a purple eyeliner, and then quick eyeliner, just very nice and subtle, so a very tiny wing. Off camera, I went ahead and added some lashes and some mascara. For the lashes, I did trim them so they're like super tiny, demi, little teeny tiny eyelashes. For my lips, I chose a mauve pink shade, and I absolutely love this cranberry holiday look. And now it's time to move on to look number 2. Using that same light brown shadow from the first look, I'm going to apply that into my crease and outer third. Once that's nice and intense, I'm going to add another jumbo pencil to about 2/3 of the eyelid. Right over that, we are packing on a beautiful orangey golden, kind of like an orangey copper shadow. This is one of my top 3 favorite shadows from this palette. Blend out that edge, and then applying a beautiful golden shimmer shadow to the inner third, and just connect and blend it into the darker shade. Don't add any more product on the brush from before, but sweep that color on the outer third, and then connect the dots with the golden shimmer shadow, and a quick, nice copper liner to the bottom waterline. And then once again, that liquid liner, we're going to apply it the same way as we did before. Once again off camera, I added some mascara, but this time some wispies. These false lashes are like my favorite, and this liquid lipstick is one of my favorites as well. So here is my second holiday glam makeup look, one of my absolute faves. This one screams fall vibes big time. Now that we did 1, 2, it's time for the third makeup look. There it is again, that light brown shade. So once we got it into the crease and outer third, it's time for a jumbo eye pencil. This time a black shade on 2/3 of the eyelid. Now applying my favorite shadow from this palette. It's a beautiful dark shimmer platinum color. I love it. I will add some of that to that bottom third. Don't apply any more product, just use what you got on the brush. Blend out the edge. And then for the inner corner, I had a little hard time with like my right eye compared to my left eye for some reason. The right eye was way harder to apply, so I had to use my finger and my brush, but made it work. Everything worked out well. And then of course add it to the bottom, and then a dark liner to the waterline, the bottom waterline, and liner exactly like we did it for the first 2 looks. Tiny little wing. And guys, I'm going to go off camera one more time, and this time I did like one of those double layered eyelashes to make it even more bold, even more intense. And then I picked one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. I literally use this one all year long, but it's a great fall look as well. And this completes all 3 of my holiday glam makeup looks. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and checking out this video. I had so much fun creating these holiday glam looks. And if you do use any of these holiday looks for any events or holiday parties, please tag me and let me know. Ooh, and this orangey glam one was the one I wore for Thanksgiving. So all of my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope to see all of you next week for another video. Thanks again for watching. Take care.